Hello and welcome. I'm Richard Andrew King. Thanks for being here. I'm excited to speak with you because through this wondrous window of the World Wide Web, I have the opportunity of sharing with you knowledge that has changed my life as well as the lives of others. Knowledge which I also believe will change your life. Secret knowledge. Knowledge so powerful and profound that I believe, if applied, will not only change the world, it will revolutionize it as well, just as it has revolutionized my life and other lives. Once you acquire this knowledge, it can and should be applied to the most important person in your world, you. Once you see how these secrets serve your life, it will be impossible to dismiss them. At first, this may seem ludicrous, ridiculous, even preposterous. And some of you may even be thinking, I'm just a wee bit touched, and I certainly appreciate your sentiments. However, I assure you, aver to you, that the secret knowledge I share with you through the King's Numerology is in fact true. We begin with quotations from three of the greatest scientific minds in history: Pythagoras, Sir Isaac Newton, and Dr. Albert Einstein. Pythagoras lived approximately 2,500 years ago and is regarded as being the first pure mathematician. Pythagoras said, "Numbers rule the universe. Everything is arranged according to number and mathematical shape." Sir Isaac Newton, who lived in the 17th and 18th centuries, and who is considered by many to be the greatest scientist of all time, stated, "God created everything by number, weight, and measure." He also proclaimed, "It is the perfection of God's works that they are all done with the greatest simplicity. He is the God of order and not of confusion." Dr. Albert Einstein, the greatest scientist of the 20th century, boldly declared, "Everything is determined, the beginning as well as the end, by forces over which we have no control. It is determined for the insect as well as for the star. Human beings, vegetables, or cosmic dust, we all dance to a mysterious tune intoned in the distance by an invisible piper." Einstein also made this remarkable statement: "Everyone who is seriously involved in the pursuit of science becomes convinced that a spirit is manifest in the laws of the universe, a spirit vastly superior to that of man, and one in the face of which we, with our modest powers, must feel humble." These profound statements from Pythagoras, Newton, and Einstein are both spiritually and scientifically astute. They comprise the core of the King's Numerology, which is centered in this poetic thought. Numbers tell the time. As well, they tell the tale. Numbers calculate the voyage of life in its detail. Numbers, just like coins, incorporate two sides, positive and negative, as in the turn of tides. Numbers are the codes of life. They gauge, describe, define the framework and the structure of a life that is divine. Numbers are life spaces, and as cosmic law avers, the blueprint of our destiny has its design in numbers.